Number 9, love this one. Number 9, you can't do this stuff alone. And I'm not talking about right now building a team. I'm talking about the mastermind process. I can't stress enough how important it is to be around like-minded individuals in whatever you want to call it, a networking group, a mastermind, a coaching program. You need to invest in yourself, and you need to get around people. You need to get around people who are going to give you value, as much value as you're going to give them. You need to create a mini mastermind. You need to get around 4, 5, 10 people. You need to be in a big group. You need to get with people who are going to be able to help you get to the next level. And in return, you have to be able to offer something back as well, whatever that something may be. But the power of the mastermind, I've been going to seminars since I've been 20 years old, 19 years old. I've been joining masterminds and networking groups since I was 24, 25 years old. And I can tell you with 100% certainty that with every group I go into, every time I level up, every time I'm putting out 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, $60,000 to some of these groups, that the value I get out is worth 10 times or more than the money that it cost me to get in. So don't be afraid. And if you're starting off saying, well, it's easy for you to say, Billy, you'd have the money to invest. I didn't at one time. I didn't. So it was going and finding my tribe just by going through these networking groups and finding out who these people, who was positive, who was on the path to success. And it's just resonating and kind of like mixing it up with those people. You don't have to spend, if you don't have the money, $10,000 a year in the beginning, or $20,000 or 60. You can do this for free. You can get people like-minded together that are all going for a common cause, or all going for different causes, different segments of real estate or different businesses altogether, but they all have a burning desire. They all have belief. They all have positive self-talk. They're all trying to be a specialist. You see what I'm saying? All these principles, they all have similarities. The people's personalities are similar. They may be completely different individual people, but they have similar beliefs. You start networking with people like that, bring them into your circle, and I'm telling you, the magic is going to happen. You're going to be able to get yourself to the next level. Remember, it's not only about taking, it's about giving. You have to give first and then take, and then take it back in. The power of the mastermind cannot be underscored. It is a key for the success of my life and multiple hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people who have been successful way before us. I'm guaranteeing you that if you interview them and you ask them, the mastermind is going to be in their principles and in one of their things for those that succeed versus those that don't. What separates? This is one of the principles.